right, here we are on Wonder of the Seas. We're going to check out the adults-only Solarium. But here they have the lookout bar right outside. And we're going to head inside the Solarium. Oh, that's a little tight. Okay. And like I said, adults only, 18 and over. This is a climate-controlled area to relax, enjoy. We're just going to do a quick walk around here. We are in Nassau today, and you can see there's a whole bunch of ships here. And the Royal Beach Club will be opening up pretty soon, a couple days from now, so we'll be giving you a tour of that pretty soon. So make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. So up here you have a hot tub. And we're gonna walk down and back around just so you can see the area. All right, continuing on. Down here you have a pool and you will have some amazing views out the front of the ship. Here's the pool area. Here's another hot tub or pool. I think that's a pool area also. But here's like a lounging pool area. That where there you can submerge. And like I said, you have the beach club that will be opening in just a few days. And you can check that out down there. And we'll be giving you the full tour, like I said. Here on Wonder of the Seas, they still have this little top of the world wing. It looks pretty crowded right now, but just quick look out here. You can see. You can look out. And there it is. Yay. There you go, top of the world for you. We're gonna head back up. For the accessible chairlift right there. You got the bar in the middle. More unique artwork here, some giraffes. You got a gorilla over there. Like I said, here you have the bar. Bars everywhere. Drinking, huge part of cruising. Huge moneymaker for the company. And just inside here is the Solarium Bistro. Not gonna head in, I don't think it's open yet, but they'll have breakfast and lunch. The chef's table is also there, which is a additional charge dining experience. And I'm just gonna tell you right above here is Hook, the seafood restaurant, which is also a specialty restaurant at an additional charge. And here we have another hot tub, which is packed. So there you go, folks. That is the Solarium here on Wonder of the Seas. Check out all of our Wonder of the Seas videos right here in this playlist. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will check you next time. Bye.